Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Robin. If you're returning, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to be filming a productive day in my life vlog. So I'm going to go to Starbucks. I have a lot of errands to run today and I'm going to work out, eat a healthy meal for dinner, cook a healthy dinner. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm going to just change my clothes and then I'll be on my way. Hey guys, it's super sunny out today, which is surprising because it's really cold. Anyway, I didn't have breakfast this morning, so when I went to Starbucks, I got egg bites and egg white egg bites and an everything bagel. But this is my Starbucks drink, so let's read the label. It's a tall iced brown sugar oat shaken espresso, half sweetened. Really good. I haven't gotten one of these in a long time. Oh, the cinnamon on top. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Anyway, I have to go pick up some concealer because my concealer is like basically out. And then I have to get some groceries, and then when I get home, I'm going to put everything away, walk my dog, and do a workout. Today's lower body. I'm doing a legs a legs, booty, lower body battle type of situation. So it's lower body day, lower body and booty day, and then we're gonna make either like something with chicken for dinner. I was thinking like chicken fried rice, chicken pad thai, or a chicken stir fry on rice, but something with chicken. So that is my plan for the day. This is so bomb. I'm sorry, I haven't had Starbucks in like probably over a month. I'm just genuinely enjoying that right now. But anyway, that's what's going on. I already ate my egg bites and bagel, but anyway, I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so I just finished my workout. I got home from grocery shopping and I put all of my groceries away and everything, and I just finished my workout. I had this little setup here, which my dog is ready to work out on. I don't know. Anyway, now I'm gonna go make some dinner. I'm wearing all Gymshark as well. But I'm gonna clean this up and go and make some dinner. This is what I made for dinner. So it's just some rice with some cilantro pesto on it, and then some grilled red peppers and onions, some chicken breast, and then honestly on the side I just made some guacamole with avocado, tomato, cilantro, and then some special ingredients and some nachos. And that is my dinner. Okay, I wanted to show you what makeup I ended up getting. So I got this Rimmel concealer. It's called the Multitasker Concealer, and it's in the shade, where's the shade is Fair. And then I got this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I don't know, it's like a light moisturizer tinted foundation. It has coconut milk and aloe extract in it, and it's vegan, dewy finish. And then I got the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean. Here's the packaging for it actually. So it says it's a clean formula, so I think it's like their new vegan formula or just clean, I don't know. It says it's formulated without any parabens, sulfates, mineral oil. It's smudge proof, and yeah, First time trying it. Waterproof or wear-proof. Anyway, those are the 3 things that I picked up makeup wise. I'm gonna go wash my face now and get ready for bed. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick.